everybody. I went through the most popular crochet football patterns that I could find and found you the top 20 so that you didn't have to waste your time looking for them before Super Bowl Sunday. So, if you're new here, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. And this is where we embrace our crochet ADHD and have a blast doing it. So, get ready for all these patterns. So, this first headband right here, this is where fashion meets football. Okay, this is perfect for game day. You could do it in any team colors, and it's a great way to stay warm in that stadium. And you can look cute too. And this is also stupidly easy to do. So, you just do a rectangle, and you just like it's hard to explain right now, but when you find out, it's going to be amazing. You're going to be like, wait, it was that easy. You literally do a rectangle and fold the end like this, sewing it together, and then you flip it out and it makes that awesome little twist in the top. So I thought this was awesome. And like I said, it's got the football pattern on the side and any team colors you want. And this is a football hat, and I think this one is great for kids. I have made plenty of hats like this with the flap and the little braids and everything, and I love making hats like this. This is where I started. It's a pretty easy pattern to do, and it's great for football for any football lovers. And this is like a baby football cocoon, okay? And this is the cutest thing ever, maybe for like a photo opportunity, maybe for like a photo shoot, maybe for like game day, like a brother's team or something. Maybe if you're going out to watch somebody play football, or maybe Super Bowl Sunday. This is awesome. This is adorable. So if you've got that little one and you're wondering what to dress them in for game day coming up, definitely choose this. Okay, and this one is $2.99, and it is a 3-in-1 pattern, and it's totally cute. And it gives you like a little ball to play with while maybe tailgating or something like that. And it comes with like arm warmers and leg warmers, I believe. And so they're matching, and it's a great way to stay warm and cozy during those tailgating nights. And I absolutely love this one with the double pom poms on top. That's my favorite. And you could do in any team colors, probably not cowboy colors. Just saying. It's a simple design with like an adorable outcome, especially with the glitter yarn that they chose up there. It gives it like that nice stadium shine or like cheerleading quality, especially with the pom poms. I love this, especially with that little football stitch on there. It's a great design. Okay, this one is $3.50, and it is such an inventive concept. I love it. You could even add like team colors to the end zones if you wanted to. It's like a field scarf. So I thought that was great, and it has the footballs on the end. I've never seen anything like this. I thought this was great. And you could even pair it with like that football beanie if you wanted to. And with the laces running down this scarf, it is totally unmistakably a football. Such a great way to stay warm on any football game, no matter what team you're going to watch or anything like that. And I love the cone shape at the end of it, totally gives it that football feel. I believe I've previously shown this keychain pattern before in one of my keychain videos. I will try to find out which one and tag it up here or below. But it's a fun way to have like pocket size spirit for any football. This would be great gift for like any, what do they call it? Pee wee football or something like that, end of the year. Great for backpacks, like bag charms and stuff like that. End of the year season gifts is what I was thinking for like youth. And this is a great way if you're learning how to do shaping with stitches or whatever, without like the commitment of a large plushie. I think this is a great idea. Okay, and this one is $4.66, and it is also a 3-in-1, and it's like the complete tailgate bundle. You got the big plushie for the grown-ups and the little plushie for the kids, and you play football with the plushie while enjoying a cold one and a cozy. It's just, I feel like this is just all around great for everybody on game day. And I believe these are hot pads, and this is a YouTube tutorial. So it's great for game day decor. You can even you can use them for like those hot plates you have out on Super Bowl Sunday when everybody has a bunch of guests over and everybody's eating snacks and food. This is a great decor for that. Always make sure to use cotton for things like this, and you could even do them a little bit smaller and make like a matching coaster set. This one is just so funny and clever, especially with the little eyes. It almost like gives like the football a little face, but I've never seen anything like this. This is like a whole football cozy, but it's not even a cozy. I'm not even sure what you would call this, but it looks really great to keep like your drink isolated and cold, maybe. And the bottom looks pretty flat and stable. It's perfect for Super Bowl Sunday. Everybody's going to love it. If you put this thing out on the table, everyone's going to be like, where's mine? Okay, and this is great for wine or water. Maybe, like I said, Super Bowl Sunday's coming up. Make sure that you're bringing something over for that host. Or, even water if you're carrying it on game day. This is a great way to identify your own water bottle. Or just gift it away, whatever you felt like it. Okay, and this is $2.30, and this was the best cozy that I feel like I could find. This is definitely my favorite. I think the laces are done perfectly. I think that was my favorite part of this one. That's probably why I chose it. But yeah, this would be great for game day. Maybe pair it with the other one and some coasters. Great decor for, the party when you have everybody over. And this one is $10. And I have to also say that recently I discovered why some patterns are more expensive and some people it's much more easy to have your patterns stolen if they are cheaper. And I did realize that, and that was brought to my attention recently, so I do understand now why some patterns are a little pricier and it's more understandable. But this one is $10 and it's great for any team colors and great game day. It's great for gathering of maybe like everyone's fan of a specific team, maybe rivals, something like that. And the little football is a great thing to learn how to make because then you can add it to anything. So I definitely think this one is probably worth it. Okay, and this one is just team spirit in miniature form. Okay, customizable team colors. Like you could do this in any colors, whatever team you wanted, and whatever number you wanted too. And like say it's game day, like PB football or whatever, and like you're the snack person. Say you wanted to do this for like the end of the year or whatever, and this is great. You could like put every kid's individual player number on their cozy, and then it's totally identifiable and identifiable of whose drink is whose. I loved this. I thought this was a great idea. Okay, and this is perfect to show everyone you're that number one fan. Do it up in your favorite team colors and just have it out for game day for decor. This is great. And it's gonna last way longer than any foam finger you're gonna find. Okay, and this is a baby blanket. And I think this is great for those football loving families. Great for those game days to keep the kiddos warm, maybe while you're out watching one of your other children play football or even at like a professional game. Okay, and this is the ultimate game day throw blanket. I believe this is corner to corner, and so that just makes it probably work up pretty fast if you know what corner to corner is. It is great stitch to learn for any crocheter. And I think that that white border around it just gives it a great finish. I do love the design of this. I think this is really clever. And I didn't realize that when I saved this pillow right here that it totally matches that blanket. They're both corner to corner. It's the perfect blanket and pillow combo. And I feel like now that if you make one, you have to make both. So definitely let me know if this is something that you're going to be making. Okay, this one is $4 and it's just oversized and soft and chunky and just perfect for game day fun. Great for any football loving kids or like a game room or, it's a soft ball that you could potentially throw in the house. I mean, yeah, I feel like you could throw this in the house and be fine. I just want to say real quick that I just really appreciate all of your guys' well wishing and prayers throughout this week. It's been pretty trying time for my entire family with the loss of my father. So we're getting through it, and I'm just happy I was able to find my mic and get this pattern roundup out for you guys in time for Super Bowl Sunday because I've had this video planned for a while and I definitely wanted to get it out to you guys. So I'm happy I was able to do that for you guys. And I believe next week we will be doing my monster tutorial. So stay tuned for that if you're excited and you've been looking forward to that. I believe next week I will be doing that. Maybe comment down below what kind of hairstyle you want to see. So definitely go check out my monster tutorials before and you can see what kind of hairstyles I've done for you guys and maybe think of something new. I'm thinking maybe pigtails. But yeah, stay tuned for that and I will see you next week. And remember, above all else, that Jesus loves you.